I'm Sam Bada. In the moments of heightened stress, it's the joy of living out your path and purpose. Run with strength. Learn who you are. You are not supposed to be the you based on the definitions of the unavoidable magazine covers that you see standing in line at the store. Seeing the huge signs along the path, absorbing the books you've read, remembering the message in the song that you hear. What you see leaves an imprint, but it's your choice to be the inspiration. Live your life like time is limited. Be the child again that dreams. Catch the vision, which is the reason that you are here. You only pass this way one time. I'm Sam Bada.